Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to just show you a couple of the campsites along the way up to Fossickers Flat from Tallowa Dam. And I'll just give you a good look at them, and yeah, that's what this video is going to show you. So if you're planning a trip up this way, this video should help you decide on some of the spots on where you can camp. If you get any good information from this video, please like and subscribe, and that way you can check out some other spots that we go paddling at. Often we'll show the boat ramps and a map of the area and just give an overview of some really awesome spots to go paddling. Alright, thanks for watching and stay tuned. So this is the Tallowa Dam car park and boat ramp. There's a pile of facilities here, dunnies, yeah, heaps of room to park. It's open 24 hours, so you can come really early and launch your kayaks and leave late. Just down here is where the ramp is, so it's about 35 metres I guess to the bottom, and yeah, it's a pretty good spot to launch from. Easy to get in and out of your canoes or kayaks. There's also a picnic area here with barbecues, toilets, parking, picnic tables. I'll just turn it around. You can swim here. Make sure you bring water with you and food. Take your own rubbish with you as well. And yeah, it's a pretty nice spot even just for a day to hang out. Alrighty. We'll show you these camping sites and get into it. Alright, see us on the river. The first site we came to when heading up the Shoalhaven River Gorge was Tom's Gully Campground. Tom's Gully is about 3 kilometres from Tallowa Dam, so if you get a late start, it'll take you probably 45 minutes to get here, depending on what kind of craft you've got and how hard you go. So it's a pretty good place to start your first night on a camp, and you can get up early the next morning and make your way all the way to Fossickers Flat if you want to. But yeah, so this is about 3 k's. There's no drop toilets here. If you go up the back into the bush and take a shovel with you, you're doing the right thing. If you go deep enough up there, the ground gets less rocky, and you'll find a good spot to do a drop. Okay, it's not a very big site. You might get 3 or 4 tents here. It's not particularly flat, but it's not too bad. The water's shallow, so it's easy to get out of a kayak when you're there and to get back in to launch and take off. Beautiful shady spot. We stayed here and used hammocks, so we strung them between those 2 trees. And yeah, it was a great place. Also, there's another site right near Tom's Gully. I'll show that to you. Just paddle a little further into the gully and you'll see this site here. Now it's reasonably dry. I guess if it's flooding a bit, this might be a bit soggy here. So it is dry. There's no place to string a tarp or hammocks, but there's a good flat spot there for a tent. And you know, you can set up some bushcraft if you want to hang a tarp. So do that. So if Tom's Gully's taken and you've got no steam left in you, come here. It's just across the way. Alright, so yeah, Tom's Gully was a good one. We stayed here. It was a beaut spot, place to start our camp at. Just across from Tom's Gully, about 3.5 k's or 3 k's from the dam, about 500 metres from Tom's Gully at the base of Karabara Creek, I think it's called, is this beautiful place. This isn't a designated campsite, it's not on the map, but you'll find it by looking for the creek. And here there's a huge beach, lots of space. It could get a bit windy here, so there's not that much protection, but if you go and tuck up there where Jan is now, you could probably find a bit of shelter. Could get a bit hot here, so you might need to set up some tarps and things. Depends what time of year you're there, of course. But as you can see, it's just bloody beautiful. That's Carabara Creek or something like that. If you travelled up there, you'd probably find some really nice fresh water as well. And just across from there is this place. So if you're seeking shade,
resident goanna,
and you've got hammocks or a tent, there's enough room here to pitch one tent, I'd reckon. Maybe down there might be a few more flat spots. Look at that view. Just bloody beautiful. A magnificent spot, and only 3 k's from the wall, or 3.5 k's from the wall. And it's all yours. Beautiful. So we continued paddling on. We came across this campsite. This is on the left-hand side of the river, just before the Monarch Campsites. Just another beautiful spot, an example of the amount of campsites that are along here. And that looks like we didn't go in and have a look, but just from the kayak, you can tell it's just going to be beautiful in there. Place to hang hammocks, hang some tarps, kick back, go out to the river and fish. Just beautiful. And then the scenery, you jump in your kayak and this is what you see, or your canoe, or your sup, or whatever you're doing it on. Just this beautiful scenery. It's got to be one of the best freshwater places to go paddling in Australia. And it's so easy to go camping there with all these sites. It's magnificent. So we kept on going, and we're now down around the Monarch Campsites. I thought it was just one, but it looks like it's a series of sites all along here. The Monarch Campsite, somewhere amongst them, there's a pit toilet. And make sure you take your own water and just do the right thing, leave minimal impact. So along here there were quite a few spots to pull in, like where these people have just come out. We could have pulled in there and camped there too. I think they just stopped there for lunch. But I don't know, 3, 4, maybe even 5 different sites along there. We didn't go in and check them all out. Well, we paddled past them, but we saw they were there. And it's just great.
What's it called?
It's an Aboriginal word, I can't quite read it.
Something Creek.
But it's just called Bullangalong or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah, beautiful. We camped there.
Yeah, it's lovely. So it wasn't that other nestled bit?
Oh look, there's the white-faced heron. He's hiding. White-faced heron.
Oh.
So it's Bullangalong Campground, near the Bullangalong Creek. It's about 2 k's past Monarch, and it's just another beautiful campsite. Shady, fish off the bank, and look at your view. You know you're doing something right, or you're on holidays when you wake up to a view like that. What a place. So anyway, we're paddling along, admiring the amazing views everywhere. And across the river we saw another site, so we thought we'd go and check it out. Paddle over there. And this one, it's got a steep bank on it. But once you get up there, it's got a great view. It's got a great vantage point. And if you're worried about flash flooding, you should be right to grab this site. It's a bit steep, but I took the stupid way. I should have went the long way. Anyhow, this is Yarrunga Campground.
This is that campsite.
There's no dunnies here, so make sure you do the right thing and take
beautiful
all your rubbish with you. Bring enough water and food.
And it's got its resident goanna.
And like all these sites, they have a resident goanna.
Beautiful. Great campsite.
And yeah, nice and shady. Just another beautiful campsite. The view across the river was amazing, of course.
Well, that's a nice site.
I didn't get it in this shot, but you can imagine it.
Another campsite here. Don't know what it's called yet. It's got a dunny though. There's people there, so I won't go up.
We're at about the 11 kilometre mark now. This is Throne Flat. It does have a pit toilet. All the places with pit toilets, there's about 3 or 4 of them, 4 I think. They seem to be long stretching campsites where lots of people can fit. So we got past there, and then there's this campsite. It's just another bush site. It's not marked on the map, but by the looks of it you can pull your kayak up over there, and then this is on the other side of the river, on the right hand side, a couple more kilometres down towards Wirreton and Fossickers Flat. But this is another unnamed campsite, just a bush site by the looks of it. Really nice. What a spot that guy's got. Hell yeah. Really good. Flat, trees, shade, beautiful view. It's got it all. This side here, this is
How you doing?
a bit further down.
How you going?
This guy was having a good
Have
old
you been
time
down further?
fishing.
No, this is as far as we've got.
Oh, there's a fishing line.
Okay. I nearly bloody bumbled into his fishing line, so look out for that.
Sorry,
But yeah, he was having a great time.
I might be able to unsnag it for you.
I didn't manage to smash into his fishing line, so paddling along.
Another campsite up there with dunnies.
There's another campsite up there with dunnies.
Fairly big site.
Once again, a big site. Yeah, this is the Australia Day long weekend, so this site got totally packed out. I paddled past here later on that evening, and it was full of people and kayaks and canoes and tents, but normally it'd be empty. This guy here that I'm about to talk to.
G'day.
Alright, how's it going?
Pretty good. Hey, what's this site called?
Wirreton.
Oh, okay. Yep.
So Fossickers Flat just down the corner.
Yep, cool. All right, thanks.
He was keen to keep the site all to himself and told me that Fossickers Flat was down the corner. So we went past Fossickers Flat and up to a site past the rapids. Jen and I went up past the rapids, and there's a site across the river from there. We decided not to camp there. We paddled back down and found our own campsite up on a hill with a great view.
A perfect rock.
Sat on this rock.
Good rock.
It's a perfect rock. Set up our camp, had cuppers, chilled out, listened to the beautiful birds. So this is another campsite, not an official one, just one we found. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe if you got something out of it. Beautiful place to go camping. Now you know a little bit more for what you're in for. And yeah, let us know if you'd like more videos like this, or go and check out our other videos. In our other videos of here, there's way more campsites that we haven't shown you, and a lot more stuff to see. All the best, and happy camping and happy paddling. See you later.